Professional service firms such as hospitals, accounting, and law firms are knowledge-intensive organizations run by skilled workforces. But when it comes time to update and innovate professional services, just how and why do PSFs implement and conduct technology-enabled innovation? By conducting a longitudinal study of a transformative innovation program at PricewaterhouseCoopers UK, researchers discovered that new innovation adoption required the commitment of the firm's leaders, as well as intellectual and experimental space in which innovation can flourish. In the study, leaders adopting new innovation were required to demonstrate appreciation for and articulation of the reasons behind the innovation. Many sent strong signals on strategy and firm priorities to both employees and external stakeholders, and supported innovation as it occurred inside the firm. But successful leaders also helped create the appropriate intellectual space in which innovation could flourish. Some leaders embraced thought leadership, in which they encouraged employees to move away from the status quo, perhaps embracing new ideas such as automation. Leaders also focused on creating a more diverse workforce and sought to hire people of different genders, ethnicities, and educational backgrounds. Additionally, leaders created experimental spaces in which employees could more easily innovate. This meant altering traditional workspaces to include data laboratories, studios, and more collaborative areas. These spaces were designed to provoke new conversations with clients and help explore the impact of new technologies. Wonder how knowledge-intensive firms can successfully innovate around new digital technologies? If so, you may want to read this paper.